welcome to our channel. Today I'll make your search session more fun. Sorry, I mean to say coding session more fun. Are you wondering why someone would open a Google search page during a coding session? Uh, because I have a query. Let me type. Wait. Why go the manual route when you can let Python do all the heavy lifting for you? We can directly do all these with the Python code itself. So get ready to unleash the power of automation because we are about to take our Google search to the next level. With a few lines of code, Python will search for you. Now let's jump into the Jupyter notebook and reveal the code. Yeah, now let's install Google Search hyphen Python. First, we have to install this on our Jupyter notebook. I have successfully installed it. You can see here, successfully installed. Then I'm importing the search from the Google search. Next, I'm writing a simple code uh, for the Google search using the Python. So here I'm writing a query that I want to search on a Google. You can write whatever you want if you have any query that you want to search in a Google. So you can write. I'm writing this. Next, I'm storing the results that I want to retrieve. I mean, the top 5 results. So I'm storing that values in a results. Then I'm performing the search. Whatever search results I got, I'm storing this in a search result. Here I'm taking a language as English. You can write as per your wish. I mean, if it is Hindi, you can write Hindi or any other language. Next, I'm printing the results using the for loop. For result in a search result, I'm printing all the results. You can see I got an output here. It is in the form of a link. So I'll click the first one. Most probably the topmost result would be the one you are searching for. Let me check it once. And I'm clicking in a new tab. So here you can see I got the result that I'm searching for. And just like that, we have turned our Google search into a Python powered adventure. You can also see other type of result. I mean to say, if you click this in another tab, then you can see that here Seaborn tutorial, because in our search we gave a keyword Seaborn, so it is displaying all those results. And next, check for the third one. In this also you can see data visualization is a keyword and Seaborn is a keyword that it is taking from our query, and it is displaying according to it. Likewise, you can check other results also. Like this, you can search your Google search using a Python code in a simple way. Who knew that coding would be such a fun? So what are you waiting for? Dive in, give it a try, and let me know what cool things you discover with your Python powered searches. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Python tricks and tips. Until then, bye. Happy coding.